In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get early access to different cryptocurrencies and new cryptocurrencies on the Bybit platform. Now, in case you don't know, Bybit has a feature where you can get access to cryptocurrencies that are launching very soon, so you can get early access to those coins. Now, let me show you everything you need to know about that. Now, as you can see right here, this is the home page of the Bybit website. To do that, you come here to where you have trade. So you can see where you have trade right here. You come here to where you have alpha. So you can see right here, it says trade and earn on-chain seamlessly. Don't worry, I will explain everything to you. So just click on Alpha and then it will bring you to this Bybit Alpha page. Now, if you're using the mobile app, let me also show you how you can get to this page on the mobile app. So as you can see on the screen, this is the home page of the Bybit app. Now, to get to the Bybit Alpha page on the mobile app, just come to the home screen and click on more. So you can see where you have more here, just click on it. And then you come here to where you have trade. So click on trade and right here you see where you have alpha. So if you click on it, it also take you to the Bybit Alpha page. So this is the Bybit Alpha page right here where you can get early access to new coins that are dropping very soon. So I'll go back to the website and explain everything you need to know about this Bybit Alpha feature on the Bybit page. And now you can also go ahead to take advantage of this. So now that you know how you can get to this page on your mobile app, let's go on and show you how you can trade these coins. Now you can see on the screen it says trade with your UTA balance, no back and forth, no gas token needed. So what does this mean? This means that you can trade with the balance you have in your unified trading account. So this means that the funds you are using to do your spot trading, your futures trading, you can also use it to trade the coins that are on the Bybit Alpha page. I hope you understand. And then if you come to where it says new coin sniper, what does this mean? Now, this is where you can see new coins that were just launched and are doing very well. So for example, if you can see right here on the screen, these are two cryptocurrencies that were just launched recently, and it's always updating itself every day. So every day if you come to this page, you can see coins that were just recently launched that you can take advantage of and trade. So this is number one, this is Punch, and the second one is called Zama. And then if you come here, this is the current price of the first one is about $0.0290. The second one is about $0.02028. So you can see the current prices right here, and then you can see the number of people holding these cryptocurrencies. So you can see the people holding this one, this Punch coin, they are over 17,000 people. For this one, there are just 241 people holding this coin. Now you can see right here the percentage change in the last 24 hours. This one is doing well. And you can see right here in the last 24 hours, this one is about, it has gone down a little bit right here. And you can also see the liquidity of each coin. So you can see the liquidity right here for this one. And you can also see the liquidity right here. And then you can see the time created. So this coin was created 15 days ago. This one was created 18 days ago. And you can also see the market cap for this one. You can see the market cap for Zama right here. So you can see all the details about these two cryptocurrencies. And like I said, it always updates every day. So you can come here every day to check it. And then if you come to the bottom here, you can see where it says this 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. If you click on 2, you can see the other cryptocurrencies that follow it. So they are not just two. So right here you have Pigeon coin and you have the BEP coin. If you come to 3, you can see MNT, you can see Copperino right there. And if you come to number 4, you have Penguin, you have Fight. So you can see the different cryptocurrencies. All of these cryptocurrencies were just recently launched. You can see this one 29 days ago, this one 101 days ago. So you can see all of these different cryptocurrencies right here. Now, let's say for example you want to go ahead to trade this coin. Just come right here to any one of the coins you want to trade. So let's pick the first one, this Punch coin. Let's go ahead and trade it. You just come here and click on trade. Now, once you click on trade, it brings you right here to the chart where you can see more information about the coin, and then you can see other cryptocurrencies that you can trade right here. All of these cryptocurrencies are new cryptocurrencies. So this is where you can have access to it. So for those of you that have been saying, how can you get access to new coins? This is how you can get access to them. So let's say for example, you want to go ahead to trade one of them, which is Punch. You could know it was Punch I clicked on. If you want to trade another one, you can pick from all these options right here. You can see everything right here. You can pick any option that you want to trade. And you can see right here, this coin was just launched on the 18th of December. You can see it, 18th of December. And then right here, you can see the movement of the coins is when it was launched. It came down a little bit to this point. It was going up, got to this point again, and came down again to this point. So you can always see the movement right there. Now, let's say for example, you want to go ahead and buy this coin. It's also simple. Just come here to where it says buy. And then you come here to this place and enter the amount of USDT you want to use to buy. So let's say for example, I want to buy this coin with maybe $10. Just put in $10 right there. Now once you put in $10, it will show you the amount of that coin you'll be receiving. So I'll be receiving 334 Punch tokens right there. Then just click on buy. So if I click on buy right here, you can see the order confirmation just to confirm my order, and then you click on confirm. and then just like that you bought some of these punch tokens. So it is as simple as that. And if you want to see it in your wallet, just scroll down. You can see where it says holdings. So you have one holding, and that is for the punch coin. You can see it right here. This is the punch coin, and then to show you how much you are currently making or losing with that coin, so you can easily see it. So for this one, not like some other platforms where you can see how much you're currently making or losing with it. So you can see it clearly right here. So you can be able to know whether you're in profit or you're in a loss. So it is simple and straightforward. And like I said, if you want to trade any other cryptocurrency, just come here and pick it right here. Now, this is not the only thing you can do on the Bybit Alpha page. There are still other things you can do, which I want to show you. Now, let's go back to the Bybit Alpha page. So this is the Bybit Alpha page. I've shown you how to get the new coins to trade, which is called New Coin Sniper, and how you can trade them. Now, if you come down, you will see where you have these liquidity pools. Now, what are these liquidity pools all about? Now, these liquidity pools are where you can actually put liquidity or put your USDT, and then you get rewards. Now, what does that mean? You can see the different ones right here. You have Solana USDC, you have XAUTO USDC, you have PYBOBO USDC, you have MNT USDC, and so on. And then you can also see the percentage of the APR for each one right here. Now, let's say, for example, I want to do this first one. I'll just click on it. Now, once it brings you to this page, you come here to where it says you pay. So you can see you pay. This is where you also enter the amount you want to use to put in this liquidity. Now, to do this, the minimum you can use for this is 50 USDT. Now, let me show you. So if I enter, let's say I enter 10 or 20 now, you can see it says minimum order amount is 50 USDT. So that means that you must use a minimum of 50 USDT for this. So 50 USDT is what you can use for this. So once you put in your amount, you come here to the bottom and click on invest. So once you click on invest right here, you've invested in this liquidity, or you've put money in this liquidity, and as the liquidity is moving up, you also make profit right there. It is as simple as that. It's just like a way of making passive income with your cryptocurrencies. It's as simple as that. And then if you come here to where it says alt token screener, this is another thing that you can take advantage of. So this way you can also see different alt tokens right here. So you can see the punch token that we just saw. This is the punch token. You also see some different new cryptocurrencies right here. So you can see these are new listed tokens. If you want to see alt tokens right here, or tokens that are currently trending, you come here to where it says trending. I can see for the ones that are trending, you can see they are doing really well. If you want to click on stocks, just check for stocks right here. I can see the different stocks. You have Tesla, you have Nvidia, you have Google, Apple, Amazon, and so on right there. So these are different things that you can do right here. And then you can see the different pools. These are different pools we just finished talking about. You have the Solana USDC. So you can see the APR. If you want to go ahead and invest in that, just click on invest. That's what I just finished showing you. And then you have other liquidity pools that you can invest in. Don't forget to always check the APR right here. APR means annual percentage returns, or annual percentage rate. That means that the percentage you can make if you're investing in this for 1 year. It is for 1 year. Please take note. But you can withdraw your money anytime. Also take note of that. So you can withdraw your money anytime. I hope you understand. It's as simple as that. So that's everything you need to know about this Bybit Alpha. Number one, you can get access to new coins and trade new coins. Number two, you can invest in liquidity pools to make passive income. And number three, you can always check for list of new cryptocurrencies or stocks or trending cryptocurrencies right here. So it's as simple as that. Let me know if you have any question about that. And if you have an account on Bybit, use the first link in the description of this video to create an account on Bybit. And once you create an account, you have the chance to get some bonuses, which I want to show you. So you can see the first step says sign up and complete identity verification to receive USDT coupons. So this means that if you go ahead and create an account with the link in the description below and you complete your identity verification, you'll be getting USDT coupons. Now after that, if you go ahead to deposit $100 and trade with at least $10, you will get airdrops. So that means that you will get airdrops on Bybit. And then you can see right here it says complete simple trading tasks and earn rewards. I can see it is up to 5,100. And if you scroll down, these are different tags. So you can see these are different tags right here. So you can see all of the tags right there. It is written, and then you can also see the rewards you'll be getting for each task that you complete. I hope you understand. So it is also simple and straight to the point. Don't forget to create your account. And if you have any question about this Bybit Alpha, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one.